All right, YouTube. The car made it home. It's been terrible, sucky weather in Cleveland, so you can't drive it nowhere. But I'm gonna drop in a video replacing this headlight. This one's gonna stay. We're gonna replace the bezel around it. We're going Dapper headlight here. We're gonna clean up this bezel, these two bezels, and paint them, and replace these other two headlights on this side. And replace this, and I'm not sure if I got LEDs for the back of it. I picked up these headlights off of Amazon. I think it was like $100 for 4 of them. Just the LED 4x6, if I'm not mistaken. These custom Dapper headlights, made to order, built to order. I have one set with the LED in it that has 2 lights, and another set with the halogen. So you have your simple household Scotch-Brite. These aren't in too bad of a shape for me to just scuff them up and paint them with some rubberized trim paint. The rubberized trim paint is hood rubber and trim paint. Now look at the difference between the 35-year-old part and factory replacement. It's the next day. Lost my daylight yesterday working. The factory driver's side harness has green, black, and tan in it. I can't remember which green and brown is at the second, but I'll add those colors in the description. You see down there where the purple clip is on the light blue wire. That is your turning signal, so you can also tap in there. Dapper sends you a kit or instructions that gives you the information of which ones you need to go to. Now we can see during a normal daylight, those bezels cleaned up and painted, look great. Now we're gonna move to the other side. Well, then you have the new light in. The Dapper light with the blinker installed. We're moving on to the passenger side today. We're gonna replace the parking light, both headlights. Find our wires and our plugs back here and tap into our turning signal over here. And we've completed the passenger side, cleaning up the bezels and painting them, wiring up our turning signals, tucking everything nice and neatly away. Now here's it all lit up, illuminated. Turning signals with hazards.